peanut butter cookies. Does that sound delicious? I mean, I don't know about you, but a lot of times I'll go in my fridge and take a spoon and put it in the peanut butter and just have that. But these peanut butter cookies are gonna be, oh, sensational. See how the peanut butter cups just melted right on the cookie. Or eggs. Now I got large eggs, cane sugar. I'm gonna use smooth peanut butter because on top I have peanut butter cups. My one large egg, and I'm gonna whisk it. I like how I throw that in the sink, and I'm just gonna whisk that around. I'm gonna add my peanut butter, and it's peanut butter sticky. I'm also gonna use my little mixer here, and I'm gonna mix it really well. I'll keep doing that, and then we're gonna take a fork, and we're gonna cross it like this. So bring it to a party and have some fun. Hi, and welcome again to Annie's Angle and Annie's Kitchen. Today, I have a treat for you. Actually, sorry, but it's a treat for me. But I hope you come along and make this with me because I think you're gonna love it. I really do. And before I tell you what you need, it has three to four ingredients. That's it. Before I tell you what you need, grab a cup of coffee. And this treat goes really excellent with coffee. It really does. What I'm going to make are peanut butter cookies. Does that sound delicious? I mean, I don't know about you, but a lot of times I'll go in my fridge and take a spoon and put it in the peanut butter and just have that. But these peanut butter cookies are going to be, oh, sensational. What I'm going to need are eggs. Now I got large eggs, and I buy organic whenever I can. So I got large eggs. You're going to need one large egg. Or maybe two small, but I think one will be suffice. Cane sugar. Now I'm going to use creamy peanut butter. But you can use crunchy peanut butter if you want it. If you want a little bit of edge to it, you can use crunchy peanut butter. I'm going to use smooth peanut butter because on top I have peanut butter cups. And I'm going to just put some peanut butter cups on top of the cookie. Does that sound insanely delicious? I think it is. So come on into my kitchen and let's make peanut butter cookies that I think are easy and you're going to love. I guarantee it. So you can see how the peanut butter cups just melted right on the cookie. It's melting right in front of my eyes. Ooh, can't wait to taste it. Especially with some coffee, but it really, really is yummy. I'm sure. It just melts. So I'm going to add my egg, my one large egg, and I'm going to whisk it. I like how I throw that in the sink, and I'm just going to whisk that around because that's going to hold everything together. And then I'm going to add my peanut butter, and it's peanut butter sticky. So I added just a touch more because it's going to stick to everything I try to do. And we'll continue to get that out. And then I'm going to add my 3/4 cup of sugar. Now you can use brown sugar if you desire. And then I'm going to mix that. And I'm probably going to use the mixer. So that's my next step. So I mixed it by hand. And I'm also going to use my little mixer here. And I'm going to mix it really well. A little less than that. And I think I've got it. Oh yeah. Ah, do you like my little mixer I bought? I like this mixer. It's a KitchenAid mixer. And I kind of like it. It's just easy to use, you know. So that's what we're going to do. Now I preheated my oven. I'm going to preheat my oven to 350. And then we're going to put the cookies in the oven and see how they turn out. What do you think? I think it's going to be great. I got this parchment paper that I put on the pan. And what we're going to do is we're going to take this and we're going to like roll it maybe in a ball. I wash my hands and just put it on the paper as so. And this parchment paper is non-stick as well. So you're going to put put it sort of in a bowl. It smells good, it really does. And I'll keep doing that. And then we're going to take a fork and we're going to cross it like this. Oh, it's sticky. Like this. Oh, yeah. And we're going to keep doing that. Well, then our preheated oven is done, so we're going to put it in the oven as well. They're done. And they smell amazing. And really look amazing. Look at them. Don't they look beautiful? Now I'm going to add some peanut butter cups to it. What do you think? Ooh, is that naughty? Oh yeah, and I am naughty. So we're just gonna, you can add it cold or you can add it while they're warm so they kind of melt on there. So that's what we're gonna do. Let's just let them melt on there. And you know, you could freeze your batter as well and have it in another time if you want, which I might do, I don't know. Should I lick my fingers in front of you? Why not? Great. But these are really, really delicious. So I'm going to take a taste and we'll come back and we'll take a taste together. Hopefully you made yours. See how easy it was to make. I mean, really easy. And putting the peanut butter cups on it. Oh, I'm going to try it now and hopefully you made yours and you can try it with me, I hope. You know, I just love peanut butter. I mean, that's one of my favorite foods. I really do. So let's try it together, should we? Sure. Mmm. Mmm. Crunchy. Mmm. With my favorite coffee, what can I ask for? It's delicious. Really, really good and simple. That's what you like to do. You know, you want simplicity. And that's why I only use 3/4 of a cup of sugar. Some people use a cup. I don't. I use 3/4 of a cup because peanut butter has sugar in it. So, you know, that is really, really good. So, thank you for stopping in Nanny's Angle. Like this video. Subscribe to my channel. For those of you who have subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And also, I really appreciate you giving me your comments. I love your comments. You know, it really helps me grow as a YouTuber. So, thanks for stopping in Nanny's Angle. Have a real nice day. Come back and we'll be cooking up a storm because I love to cook. I'm also a fitness instructor. I like crafts. I love crafts. I like a lot of things. I like talks. So, enjoy your day and thanks for stopping in. Bye for now. We're in the oven for 12 minutes at 350 degrees and it was 1 cup of peanut butter.